In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a network interface to an existing Azure virtual machine using the Azure portal. This simple process is crucial when you need additional network connectivity for your VM, whether for load balancing, separating network traffic, or enhancing security. Let's dive right in. The first step is to stop and deallocate your VM. We'll begin by navigating to the Azure portal and selecting Virtual Machines from the available options. Once you're there, locate your VM from the list. With your VM in focus, click on Stop. It's important to wait patiently as your VM needs to reach a stopped, deallocated state before we can proceed. This deallocation is necessary because you can't modify certain components of a running VM. Once your VM is successfully stopped, it's time to attach the network interface. On your VM's menu, look for the Networking section. Here, you will find the option to attach a network interface. In the dialog that appears, you have two choices. You can either choose an existing network interface card, or NIC, that's already been created within the same virtual network, or, if you need to, you can create a new network interface right from this window. This flexibility enables you to tailor the network setup to your specific requirements. Once your selection is made, simply click the OK or Save button to attach the NIC to your VM. With the new interface attached, the next step is to start your VM. Return to the VM Overview page where you'll find the Start button. Clicking this will boot up your VM, now configured with the additional network interface. This is a valuable moment to ensure that your setup is functioning as expected. Lastly, you'll want to configure the new NIC inside the operating system. After your VM is up and running, go ahead and log in using your preferred method, such as a Remote Desktop Protocol or SSH, depending on your setup and comfort. Once inside, it's essential to assign the IP settings for the new interface. Consider what routing configurations or DNS settings you may need to apply to align with your network's demands. This final adjustment ensures that your VM can communicate effectively using the new networking configurations. And there you have it, a step-by-step walkthrough for adding a network interface to your Azure VM using the portal. By following these instructions, you can expand your VM's networking capabilities with ease and precision. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please feel free to give it a like or subscribe for more informative content. Until next time, happy computing!